Hey there, let's talk about something that can make or break your operations: maintenance management. Keeping your equipment in top shape isn't just a good idea, it's a game changer. Whether you've been doing this for years or you're just diving into the world of maintenance, having a solid system can save you time, money, and headaches. So today, we're going over the top 5 types of maintenance work orders that'll help you stay ahead of the game. Trust me, these aren't just fancy terms. They're practical tools that can transform how you manage your equipment. Let's jump in. First up, preventive maintenance work orders. Think of these as your equipment's regular checkups. Just like going to the doctor for a routine visit, these work orders catch small problems before they become big and expensive. For example, a factory might schedule monthly inspections or lubrication to keep things running smoothly. It's all about avoiding those unexpected breakdowns and saving yourself a lot of stress down the line. Now, let's talk about corrective maintenance work orders. This is where you fix something that's already gone wrong. Imagine you're inspecting a conveyor belt and notice it's misaligned. This is when a corrective work order steps in. It's all about quick action to minimize downtime and get things back on track. Here's where it gets exciting: predictive maintenance work orders. This is the future of maintenance. By using real-time data and analytics, you can predict when something might go wrong and fix it before it happens. Picture this: a machine has sensors that monitor vibration levels. When those levels hit a certain point, a work order is automatically created. It's like having a crystal ball for your equipment. Pretty cool, right? Of course, we can't forget about emergency maintenance work orders. These are for those "oh no" moments when something breaks down unexpectedly during a critical time. Sure, emergency repairs can be pricey, but they're all about damage control and keeping things running when it matters most. And finally, let's give a shout out to routine maintenance work orders. These are the everyday heroes of maintenance, tasks like cleaning, minor adjustments, and inspections. They might not seem flashy, but they're essential for keeping your equipment in top shape. Plus, with tools like a CMMS, managing these tasks becomes a whole lot easier. Here's the bottom line: managing maintenance isn't just about fixing problems, it's about preventing them, planning ahead, and keeping your operations running like a well-oiled machine. By understanding these work orders and using tools like CMMS software, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. So what do you think? Which type of work order do you use most in your operations? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tips to make your maintenance management a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.